What's up, guys? Thanks for watching today. Hope you guys having a great day so far. So this is a photo shoot I did with my beautiful friend Sibi. As you know, the camera shows every detail and imperfection, so we as artists, photographers, retouchers just go in and fine-tune the photo into the mood and feel that we want to get from it. So this one I was thinking beautiful, happy, amazing day. So this is my retouching process. Let's get it.
Sensational.